Hi there. Are you feeling super drained after breast cancer? I want to share with you some tips and a technique how you can rebuild your energy. And you know just as much as me that fatigue after cancer isn't just like being a little bit tired. It's such a deep felt exhaustion that seeps into every part of your life. You know, the way you feel when you wake up in the morning and you might have thought you had a good sleep, but actually you can barely get yourself out of bed. And despite all of this, life keeps moving on. There's work, there's family, responsibilities, and everything demands more when you have nothing left to give. So, the real way to rebuild energy is definitely not about pushing through. It's about working with your energy, it's about understanding your energy and making small shifts that help over time. So I want to bring to you an amazing concept that I have learned from the fantastic Anita Morjani. You see her name down here if you want to look her up. And she speaks about energy units. And that really has been a total game changer for me. And I've used it for a while now. So think of your energy in terms of units. So, to feel really well and balanced, you might want to have, say, 15 units in your bag. And a great night's sleep might give you 10 units. A nourishing meal might give you 1 unit. Time with a loved one might give you 2 units. But then there's also many aspects of your day that drain your energy. A stressful day might deplete you by 5 units. A difficult conversation might deplete you by 3 units. So the shift is this. Instead of feeling frustrated, start paying attention to your energy levels and what drains you and what replenishes you. If you think of your energy in these terms, you will soon learn what depletes you and what feeds you. And then you can be so much more conscious about how you add energy units to your day and to your life so that slowly and bit by bit you can feel better. So, a few examples of how you can rebuild energy. One small shift at a time. Let's start with nutrition and what nourishes you. Add one extra veggie to your meals and focus on steady energy rather than extremes. And one very important element here is healthy protein. Healthy protein nourishes you and satiates you and gives you energy that's sort of spread over the day, healthy proteins. And when it comes to movement and exercise, try gentle movement, walking, yoga, stretching. Start with 5 to 10 minutes when you feel completely exhausted again, and then sort of sense into how many energy units has that helped you with. Flourishing is all about emotional well-being. For example, when you struggle with sleep, maybe add a relaxing bedtime ritual, unplug your devices an hour before you go to sleep, do some journaling or listen to something soothing. Another wonderful way to add energy over time is by starting the day in a positive way, by thinking about what you're grateful for. In the beginning, that might be a little bit tricky to think about, but if you just start by writing 3 things that you're grateful for, and even if that is your wonderful warm duvet that you feel when you wake up in the morning, that is something you're grateful for. And gratitude over time builds this muscle of positivity that in turn, supports you with your energy levels. Hydrate. Swap one sugary one sugary drink for water and start your morning with a full glass because you will be depleted of hydration when you first wake up in the morning. So start with a glass of water. Maybe put a slice of lemon into it, for a little bit of extra zing. Even small habits like that will support you with your energy levels. So start refilling your energy reserves. Start by making peace. Accept your current energy levels without judgment and maybe think about the energy units and think, okay, so where am I feeling at mostly during the day? And then go in small steps the way we've just described it and build gradually. Healing isn't about overnight fixes. It's about consistent small shifts. And with the idea of the energy units, you can create this very consciously and intentionally, those small shifts. And when you regain your energies, you will truly enjoy life again and you won't just feel you're a survivor, you will become a thriver. I hope this has been helpful to you and all the best for now and see you soon.